In today's video, I am going to teach you how to call from Freshsales. Freshsales makes it easy to place a call directly from a contact record, so you can move from reviewing details to speaking with someone in just a few clicks. This is especially helpful when you want to respond quickly, log activity consistently, and keep your outreach organized inside your CRM. To begin, look at the left-hand sidebar in Freshsales. This is where you will find the main modules you use every day. From here, navigate to the Contacts module and select it. Once you are in Contacts, you will see a list view that displays your contact records. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct list, since many accounts use different views or filters to separate leads, customers, or specific segments. If your list looks different than expected, it may be filtered, so keep that in mind while you locate the person you want to call. Next, find the contact you want in the list. When you see the record, move your cursor over the name of that contact. In Freshsales, hovering over the name reveals quick actions, so you do not have to open the full record just to do something simple. This saves time, especially when you are making several calls in a row. As you hover, look near the phone number area for the phone icon, which functions as the call dialer button. Click that phone icon. This is the action that initiates the calling process from within Freshsales. If your organization has calling features enabled, clicking the icon will launch the dialer and start the call using the number associated with that contact. If you do not see the phone icon right away, make sure you are hovering directly over the contact name in the list view. Also confirm that the contact record includes a phone number, since the call option may not appear if there is no number available. Once the icon appears, a single click is all it takes to begin the call. After you start the call, stay attentive to the dialer window so you can manage the call smoothly. When you are finished, you can continue working from the same contact list without losing your place. And that is all there is to it.